Hey guys, welcome to the Acne Clear Chef. My name is Thomas Grabowski, and today I'd like to show you how you can make your very own ground turkey stir fry. Now this is a very easy recipe to make and requires very few ingredients. All you're going to need for this recipe is 1 pound of ground turkey alongside with some frozen vegetables, some fresh vegetables, and some seasonings, some olive oil, and whip it all together. This recipe takes from start to finish about 10 to 15 minutes to make. There's no chopping, no cutting required. You simply add all the ingredients into one pan and you're ready to go. So if you're looking forward to increase your health, have better energy, have more acne clear skin, then come join me in cooking this delicious recipe that's great for any breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's very satiating, high in protein, lots of non-starchy vegetables, which are essential for clearing up your skin. And I promise you this is a tasty one that you won't regret. Okay, so to start off this recipe, all you're going to need is 1 pound of organic turkey. Okay, so what you'll need for this recipe is 1 pound of organic grass-fed turkey. I'm using a local brand here today. Try to find locally sourced turkey. This one's actually from Haters. This is a locally sourced turkey here in London, Ontario. Again, depending on where you live, I strongly recommend you look around and find local farmers or local brands that sell good quality ground beef or turkey. That way you're ensuring optimal freshness, but at the same time you're getting all those essential micronutrients and minerals that come from consuming animals in the organic cycle. Very important. Next up for the veggies, very simple. We're going to be using some organic peas and carrot mix. We'll also be using some organic corn kernels, as well as some organic butternut squash. I am using frozen here. You can use fresh as well. And another great thing about this recipe is that, let's say you're in a pinch and you don't really have anything in your refrigerator. This is kind of like an emergency meal that you can make at any time, since a lot of the veggies here are frozen and require very minimal ingredients. I'm also going to be finishing off the recipe with some organic spinach. And for the seasonings, I'm going to use salt, pepper, some turmeric or curry powder. And we're going to cook all this using some extra virgin olive oil or some avocado oil. Okay, so to start this recipe off, what you're going to want to do is heat up a medium cast iron or stainless steel pan on medium-high heat. Okay, so once your pan starts to smoke with the heat, which should take anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes depending on your stove, simply cook 1 pound of ground turkey in a stainless steel pan for about 7 to 10 minutes. So while my meat is cooking in the pan, I'm simply going to add my seasonings. Again, for seasonings, you can add as little or as much seasoning as you like. Cook the meat for about 4 to 5 minutes before flipping it on the other side, and then cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. After a few minutes of cooking, you're really going to smell the amazing aromas that you get from the curry powder. Okay, so once your ground turkey is fully cooked, you can simply add your vegetables next. I'm adding about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of organic peas and carrots. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of organic corn. And then finally, I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of organic frozen butternut squash. Simply mix the veggies with the meat until your veggies are fully cooked. This is a really nice recipe because it really reminds me of a turkey dinner. It's very simple and it reminds me of home a little bit. If you wish to add some more seasoning into the dish, you can also add some organic gluten-free liquid soy seasoning. Or you can finish off the recipe with some sriracha or some organic hot sauce. All right, there are some final touches there. Nice. All right, guys, and there's a YouTube video for today. If you guys want to see more videos like this, feel free to follow me on my YouTube channel. And until then, guys, I will see you on the other side.